Okay guys, me and my friends have just gone over here and we've heard someone cutting trees, and if we look by here, someone's cut these trees down. It's deforestation. There's deforestation. Come on boys, protest! Stop deforestation! Stop deforestation! Stop deforestation!
Comment down below if you want to stop deforestation. Woohoo!
Like the video if you want to stop deforestation. I almost said stop the video, right?
Comment down below if you want to get rid of chainsaws, otherwise they'll kill someone.
Car chainsaws. Okay guys, we don't know where he is.
I found him.
Where? I see him. Okay guys.
Oh, you must go through that.
If you can see, it says by, just so you know, it says rooted tree and landscapes. Rooted tree, tree felling and removal. Yep, they are cutting it down. No, I'm not going over there.
No, I'm going through the Manor Parkway. No, there's no stingies there.
I don't care.
There is no stingies, it's just normal weeds.
I'm recording this just so you know. This is my most important video ever. Okay guys. Are we actually going to try and stop them? Okay guys, there's a guy in an orange high-vis jacket somewhere. Over there. Where? Over there somewhere. Oh yeah, let me point at him. Okay. Over there somewhere. I just had to use my hand there.
They're cutting grass, Dad.
Oh buddy, they're cutting grass.
Let me remind them.
Oh, it's a leaf blower.
No, they were cutting trees.
Okay guys, sorry about this. We thought it was deforestation, but it wasn't. Don't worry about it guys.
It did sound like a chainsaw.
Because it says by there, tree felling and removal.
How did you get through this?
I'm not going that way. Okay guys, we need to run quick before anybody sees us. We'll go back to recording in a minute. Okay guys, we're just back now.
Why are you going this way?
Oh yeah, we're going the wrong way. My fault.
I'm going with Dad.
Okay guys, so we've just gone over to have a look and they weren't cut. I just fell. Okay, they weren't cutting trees or anything. It was okay. We thought it was deforestation, but we found out that it wasn't. So, sorry if this has turned into like a little bit of a clickbait video, but we see you there, thought it was a chainsaw. And yeah, that's the video guys. See you guys in the next video and bye!